Hi, my name is Shanice Stephenson. Welcome to University Towers here at Elizabeth City State University. University Towers is a great place to live on campus. It's nestled in the perfect location right across from the outdoor classroom where many students like to meet and socialize with their fellow classmates. University Towers is also located near the Information Technology Center, Mickey L. Burnham Fine Arts Center, the Mary D. Thorpe Administration, and campus safety buildings. The Residence Hall is also within walking distance from our local grocery store and several restaurants. One unique thing about University Towers is that it's designed only for freshmen. That's right, it's our freshman co-ed residence hall. Female students will live on the first and second floors, while male students will live on the third and fourth floors. University Towers is a suite-style residence hall with all suites accommodating 8 students. All rooms are furnished with regular-sized twin beds, desk and chair for studying, dresser drawer, micro fridge, and a lock-in closet. Some students opt to bunk their beds for more space in their living area. The bathrooms are Jack and Jill style and are shared by suite mates. Each room is Wi-Fi and cable TV accessible, and the residence hall is equipped with a computer lab. Students also have access to laundry facilities on the first floor. Laundry fees are included in your tuition and fees, so you only have to swipe your ID card to use the machines. University Towers has everything that you will need for your new home away from home. I hope you enjoyed your tour and welcome to ECSU. Viking Pride!